Illustration 12, page number 76. From the following transactions, prepare journal in the books of Sri Rajveer, 2014, August 1. Let's write the heading first. Likho heading. Journal entry of Rajveer. Illustration 12. Page number 76. Journal entry of Sri Rajveer. 2014 August 1. A business is commenced with introduction of cash of 50,000, receivables of 25,000, liability of 10,000 and stock of goods of 15,000. Now cash assets so debit, receivable assets so debit, liability credit and stock of goods debit. Okay, right. Cash account debit 2014 August 1. Cash account debit 50,000. Receivable account debit 25,000. Stock of goods account debit 15,000. 2. Liability account 10,000 and 2 difference is capital. $80,000. A 10% loan of 30,000 is borrowed from Srimati. Now, what comes in? Cash comes in. So write down cash account debit. $30,000 to Srimati's loan account. What's the rate of interest? So we'll write to 10% Srimati's loan account. 30,000. You all know the narrations, right? Okay. Third. Laptop purchased from Jaiveer for 20,000. Now, are we paying money to Jaiveer?
No.
And paid other expense of rupees 500. Laptop account debit 20,500. To cash account 20,500. Open bank account with Dena Bank by depositing 15,000. Bank related transaction. What goes out? Cash goes out. Who is the receiver? Bank is the receiver. Likho. Dena Bank account debit 15,000 to cash account 15,000. Goods of 30,000 purchased from Royal Stores on credit at 10% trade discount. It's a credit transaction. So journal entry purchase account debit 10% trade discount will be deducted from 30,000. Pata chala sabko? Okay. So purchase account debit 27,000. To Royal Stores account 27,000. Goods purchased from Royal Traders, out of which goods of 15,000 sold to Bhagwati at 10% trade discount after adding 20% profit on it. Goods of costing 15,000 जो हमने रॉयल स्टोर से परचेस किया 15,000 का गुड्स cost is 15,000 plus 20% profit that is 3,000 so कितने में सेल करना है 18,000 but when we are selling we are further giving 10% trade discount so 1,800 so how much worth of goods we have sold 16,200 is your net sales value. Who is the receiver? Bhagwati is the receiver. So entry will be Bhagwati account debit 16,200 to sales account 16,200. Goods of 50,000 purchased from Kruti at 10% TD and 10% CD. Half amount paid by check. You know the working for this? Okay, let's write goods 50,000 minus 10% trade discount 5,000 45,000. Thanks. A net purchase. How much amount settled? B half amount so 22,500 so half amount pay we get 10% cash discount so minus 10% cash discount 2,250 paid by check so bank account and C don't forget this third one amount payable to Kruti A minus B 22,500 okay now entry will make from your directly from your purchase always debit उसके बाद dash then credit and credit okay so लिखो purchase account debit 7th amount is 45,000 2 we have to pay this money to Kruti so Kruti account 22,500 we paid a check so bank account 20250 and 2 discount account 2250 important transaction 8 is a extremely important transaction please highlight it please mark it sold goods to Bhagwati. Goods sold to Bhagwati returned back goods of 550 which we have returned back to Royal Stores. Now what is happening? Yeah. We purchased from Royal Store. We sold out of this 15,000 के goods to Bhagwati. Now Bhagwati ने हमें goods return किया. वो goods हमने वापस किसको दे दिया? Royal Stores को. You understood this? मैंने किसी से खरीदा, उसमें से कुछ बेचा, अब वो सेल्स रिटर्न हुआ, तो मैं यही गुड्स उठा के उसको वापस दे दूंगा. परचेज रिटर्न भी होगा. नाउ सेल्स रिटर्न कितने का हुआ? 540. ये तो हमारे पास है. ओके, सो वी राइट द एंट्री 8 सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट. Sales return account debit already given in the question 542. Who is the giver? Bhagwati is the giver. Bhagwati account 540. But important is amount of purchase return. I want you to try to find the amount of purchase return. Apply your mind. I'll give you the hint. I'll go through this कि तुम कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हो, पर तुम खुद फाइंड करो. 15,000 में खरीदा, उसको बेचा 16,200. ओके, यानी इससे जो खरीदा था वो बेचा 16,200 में, इसमें से 540 वापस किया, तो क्या रेट पे मैं रॉयल स्टोर्स को वापस करूंगा? ओके, वन मोर एग्जांपल. I purchase goods of ₹100. ओके, फिर ये 100 रुपीज पे 20 रुपीज प्रॉफिट ऐड करके मैंने किसी और को बेच दिया. नाउ जिसको बेचा उसने आके मुझे गुड्स वापस किए, तो मुझे उसको कितना पैसा देना पड़ेगा? 120. पर ये गुड्स जब मैं वापस करूंगा जिससे मैंने खरीदा, तो वो मुझे कितना पैसा देगा? 120 या 100? 100. Understood this concept? Okay, so sales return at sales price and purchase return at purchase price. Try to find out. Now, बहुत simple. ध्यान दीजिए. Sale 16,200 का किया. इसमें से कितना वापस आया? 540. Sales में से 540, तो cost में से कितना? Cross multiply कर सकते हैं. That's simple. अगर तुम ऐसे करने जाओगे कि 100 में खरीदा, 20 ऐड किया, तो 120 हुआ, माइनस 10%, 108. ऐसे करके भी कर सकते हो, but again you will have to do all these calculation. So no point doing this when you have already done this. Simple. Sales का sales return, तो cost यानी purchase का purchase return. Understood this? Okay. So what we'll do is 15,000 into 540, or I'll write over here. Sales 16,200, तो sales return कितना है? 540. Cost 15,000, तो purchase return is missing. So which is equal to 15,000 into 540 upon 16,200. How much? 500. Got it, all of you? This is the best way of doing it, and that's why working is very important. तुम डायरेक्ट कैलसी पे भी ये कर सकते थे ना, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. You take 15,000 plus 20% minus 10%, you'll exactly get 16,200. But then problem कब होगा? जब ऐसे transactions आएंगे. That's why systematic ही जाना है, so that you don't make a mistake. Understood, all of you? You understood this concept? सेल किया है तो सेल्स रिटर्न सेल्स प्राइस पे और परचेज रिटर्न परचेज प्राइस. Got it, all of you? Okay, let's write the entry. Who is the receiver? Royal Traders Stores. Royal Stores account debit 500. To goods goes out as return, so purchase return 500. What's the other name for purchase return? Purchase किया हुआ return किया is also known as returns outward. Goods of 9th one. Goods of 15,000 after adding 20% profit sold to Nirali at 10% trade discount, 10% cash discount. Half the amount received in cash. Goods of 15,000. So cost. Okay, let's write the entry now. From here, we can directly make the entry. Sales is always credit dash debit, debit and debit. So Nirali account debit 8,100. Cash account debit 7290. Discount account debit 810. 2. Sales account 16,200. Goods of 20,000 after adding 30% profit sold to Bhaumik at 10% trade discount and 10% cash discount. Now cash discount only if amount is paid in 10 days. Now do we need to calculate cash discount? No, not required. So let's do the working for the 10th transaction. Cost. Paid 1,500 for advertisement bill of Gujarat Samachar. So let's record the entry, simple entry. Advertisement expense account debit to cash account credit. Advertisement. What's the amount? Received, we have done this before. Received personal dividend, yani personal income of the owner, which is deposited to bank account of business. A personal expense is drawings and personal income is capital. Likho, bank account debit. Amount is to capital account. Bank account debit to capital account. Next, Nirali returned goods of rupees 650 from the sales of 9. 9 को जो goods बेचा था उसमें से उसने 650 के goods return किए. Only transaction of sales return. So what comes in? Goods comes in. Who is the giver? Nirali is the giver. Sales return account debit 650 to Nirali account 650. Goods of 400 received as free sample which is distributed to a customer in free for advertising. Non-economic transaction. Like 14. Non-economic transaction. A check of half amount is received from Bhaumik and cash discount allowed. Now पहले वो transaction पे चले जाओ. 10th transaction में Bhaumik से how much money we had to take. Amount due was 23,400. इसका half amount 1170 कैश डिस्काउंट मिलेगा इसको so minus 10% cash discount 1170 so what's the amount 10530 we have received this amount from Bhawmik in check so bank now check comes in so bank account debit 10530 discount bank debit so discount also debit 1170 who is the giver Bhawmik is the giver Bhawmik account to 11700 goods returned by Nirali now 13 को जो goods निराली ने return किया same goods we return to Kruti now where is this transaction of goods sold to Nirali this one now इसमें से 16,200 में से 650 का return किया can you find out 15,000 में से कितना understood this how you will do is 16,200 15,000 का goods 16,200 में बेचा 16,200 में से 650 का वापस आया तो 15,000 में से कितना understood this sales return at sales price purchase return at purchase price okay remember this इसमें से 16,200 में से 650 के गुड्स रिटर्न हुए so 15,000 में से कितना okay that's how we have to do it so we do the working over here what's the date of transaction 16 so 16,000 sales 16,200 sales return 650 cost is 15,000 purchase return how much cross multiply so 15,000 into 650 divide by 16200 you are getting 601.85 which is equal to 602 approximate it comes to 602 now in exam अगर fraction आता है तो स्टूडेंट्स रियली पैनिक कि फ्रैक्शन में तो आ ही नहीं सकता ऐसा नहीं है फ्रैक्शन में भी आ सकता है इफ योर वर्किंग इज परफेक्ट इट कैन बी फ्रैक्शन यू बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ ओके ये बराबर किया ना तुमने तो ये भी आंसर इज करेक्ट ओके डोंट पैनिक इन एग्जाम सो एंट्री इज Kruti is the receiver Kruti account debit amount is 602 to purchase return 602 important a machine purchased for 7,000 and paid 500 cash for installation of machine so what's the cost of the machine 7,500 देखो machine account debit 17 machine account debit 7,500 to cash account 7,500 18th goods received as free samples non-economic transaction 19th market extremely important 5th August so August 5 purchase August 5 you made purchase of 27,000 from Royal Stores now August 5 को जो खरीदा August 8 को हमने purchase return किया 500 So how much money we have to still pay? 26,500. Now when we are paying this person, we are settling his account. We are again getting a discount. We are getting a discount of rupees 100. So final amount what we are paying is 26,400. We are paying by check. So we write the entry. Who is the receiver? Royal Stores account debit. Settle कर दिया उसका account 26,500 to bank account. 400. उसका account credit कितना था? 26,500. When we are settling हम उसको करेंगे debit by 26. Let me complete the entry. ठीक है? Royal Stores account debit 26,500 to bank account 26,400 and to discount account or allowance account 100. Now 20th, I want you to find the amount for me. 20th, Nirali deducted allowance of 50 and settled the account. Let's find out where is Nirali. 9th transaction में ध्यान दो. OAO. In the 9th transaction, you refer the journal entry that will help you identify Nirali account debit 8,100. So we sold goods on 9th August. So August 9th, sales. Out of sale, we had to receive 8,100. उसके बाद, where do we find Nirali? Over your sales return 650. So the date is 13th. Sales return 650. So how much? 7,450. ये समझ में आया? Now इसके अलावा और कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन में नहीं है, ठीक है? Now how much discount? 50. So minus discount is 50. So 7,400. Amount is settled. So directly cash. So how much money we got now? Cash account debit 7,400. Discount account debit 52. Nirali is the giver. Credit the giver 7,450. Can I say इसके बाद इसका अकाउंट सेटल हो गया? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Okay. Now 21st Bhaumik, please try to do it on your own and tell me कितने का चेक बनेगा उसका. इसमें कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं है. Now let's settle the account of Bhaumik. So first let's find where is Bhaumik. Over your debit 24,300. So we have to take 23,400 from this person. So on 10th August, so August 10th, sales was 23,400 on 10th August. Now इसके बाद again where is Bhaumik? On 15th, yes, on 15th August, Bhaumik account settled by 11,700. Okay, so on 15th we received 11,700. So what is left? 11,700. Any purchase return, sales return for Bhaumik? No. Now out of 11,700, how much is cash? 5,000 and remaining amount is check. 6,700. Understood this? Okay, I'll dictate the entry. Cash account debit 5,000. I'll dictate the entry. Cash account debit 5,000. Bank account debit 6,700. To Bhaumik account 11,700. Second. Now, goods of 4,000 destroyed by fire and insurance company admitted claim for 3,000. 200 realized from sale of destroyed goods. So सबसे पहले what comes in? What comes in? Cash comes in. Okay, August 22nd. Cash account debit. 200. How much did insurance company admit? 3,000. So insurance company account debit. 3,000. What is our loss? Loss by fire account debit. 802. Purchase account. Goods goes out. 4,000. Again, interesting one. To earn 20% profit on selling price. Goods of cost price of 5,000 sold. Now in this we have to find our selling price. Can you tell me the selling price? 5,000 का cost है. 20% profit is on selling price. So calculate and tell me what will be the selling price. Please do it on your own. See, as a student of commerce, you should know the relationship between cost, profit and sales price. Now what is cost? जितने में हमने खरीदा, okay, उसके ऊपर हमने क्या ऐड किया? Profit. और हमें क्या मिलता है? हमारा sales price. Now whenever such type of transactions come, you don't worry. I'll give you a simple working. We write cost plus profit is equal to sales price. You agree with this? बराबर है? इसमें किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है? Cost में profit ऐड करो तो क्या मिलेगा? Sales price. Now over here, what is the cost? Cost is 5,000. But पहले समझ लो, बाद में लिखना. Cost is 5,000. Now over here, ऐसा दिया है कि to earn 20% profit on selling price. Now what you did, why you were wrong? तुमने क्या किया? Profit 20% जो है वो तुमने 5,000 पे calculate कर दिया. But in the question it is saying this profit 20% is on sales price. Now till we don't know this, we will not be able to find this 20%. You understood this? अब मुझे ये पता ही नहीं है. अब मुझे ये पता ही नहीं है कि सेल्स प्राइस क्या है, तो उसके ऊपर 20% मैं नहीं ले सकता. Now, जब तक ये नहीं पता, ये भी नहीं मिलेगा. तो what we do is we assume sales price as 100. If sales price is 100, what is profit? Profit will be 20% on sales price, so it is 20. What is cost? If this is 100, this is 20, what is cost? फिर से एक बार. Cost is 5,000. Profit is 20% not on cost. अभी तक जो sum किया उसमें हमने क्या किया? 20% on cost and we get the sales price. But over here, profit is on sales price. If you have not read this, please read this. एक बार question पढ़ो भाई. Directly तुम कैसे आंसर समझ सकते हो? पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना. क्या लिखा है? To earn 20% profit on selling price. You understood? So what all profit you have to calculate not on cost but on selling price. Understood this all of you? Now cost is 5,000 but this profit 20% is on sales price. Now we don't know the sales price, so we assume sales price as 100. If sales is 100, तो profit 20% on 100 is 20. तो ये cost find कर सकते हो. What's the cost? Cost is 80. अब ये समझ में आया? Now it becomes very simple for us. How? 80 is to 5,000. 100 is to how much? Understood this? So we cross multiply. 80 is to 5,000. 100 is to how much? Is equal to 5,000. into 100 upon 80 is equal to 625. Got it? Okay, लिख लो. ये आना ही चाहिए तुम्हें. It is a simple business concept. Whenever such sums come, you use this. अगर यहाँ पे ऐसा दिया होता cost 5,000, profit is 20%, तो डायरेक्टली 5,000 पे 20% कर लेते हो, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं था. पता चला कैसे आया? अगर ऐसा कुछ भी आता है तो you use this formula. Okay, cost plus profit is equal to sales price. अब देख लो क्या दिया है. अगर ये सम में ऐसा दिया होता profit 20% on cost तो डायरेक्टली आ जाता. अच्छा, अगर सेल्स प्राइस दिया होता और ऐसा पूछा हो फाइंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस तो डायरेक्टली यहाँ से तुम फाइंड कर सकते थे. नाउ वी कैन क्रॉस वेरीफाई. 6250 का 20% कितना होता है? करो 6250 का 20% कैंसिल कर 1250. तो 6250 माइनस 1250 कितना आएगा? कॉस्ट 5000 आ गया. सो प्रॉफिट इज ऑन सेल्स प्राइस 20%. अगर तुम 6000 लोगे तो उसका 20% इज 1200, तो उसका कॉस्ट हो जाएगा 4800. बट कॉस्ट कितना है? 5000. इट मींस योर आंसर 6000 इज रॉन्ग. गॉट इट? सी, अगर 5000 है और तुमने प्रॉफिट 1000 लिया तो ये 6000 आ गया. तो 6000 का 20% कितना होता है? 1200. बट ये कितना है? 1000. इट मींस दिस इज, you have to assume and do such type of sums. Got it? Write the entry is a cash sales. Okay, so cash account debit 6250 to sales 6250. Interest for 1 month paid on loan of Srimati. Now it is already paid, so entry is interest on loan account debit 24. Interest on loan account debit to cash account. Amount is how much is Srimati's loan? 30,000. Now 30,000 into 10% into how many months? 1 by 12. Calculated. 250. 250. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? All of you understood this? Okay. Next. Goods destroyed in railway accident 2500. Now कोई भी इंश्योरेंस है? कोई भी इंश्योरेंस है? नहीं है, तो कहने से पूरा लॉस हो गया. Everything is a loss. So लिखो loss by rail accident account debit. Loss due to accident account debit 2500. 2 goods goes out, so purchase account 2000 and 26th purchase 50 shares of Adani Power Limited, purchase at a market price of 300 per share and including 2% brokerage, amount paid by check. Now first let's make the entry, then we go for the amount. What will be the entry? Shares comes in. So shares of Adani Power Limited account debit to bank account credit. Write the entry first, then we calculate the amount. Shares of Adani Power Limited account debit to bank account. Amount is now 300 per share and including 2% brokerage. Now how many shares are there? 50 shares into 300 per share is equal to 15,000 plus 2% brokerage, which is equal to 15,000 plus 300, which is equal to 15,300. So write the amount 15,300. Do this working. Do the working also, so that you don't forget this. कि अमाउंट कैसे आया? कैलसी पे भी कर सकते हो 50 into 300 plus 2%. कैलकुलेटर पे भी कर सकते हो. Okay, now next, a computer of business of 2500 sold to Karuna for 1000. Now ये computer है, हमारा asset है. We have sold our asset for how much? 1000 to Karuna. कितने का कंप्यूटर था? 2500. कितने में बेच रहे हम? 1000. So कितने का लॉस? 1500. अच्छा, is Karuna giving us money? Is Karuna giving us money? No details of payment is given and name is given, so it's a credit transaction. So let's write 27 Karuna account debit. Amount is 1000. Loss on sale of computer. Account debit 1500. To what goes out? Computer goes out. It's our asset. So we have to record profit or loss. Next, electricity bill of 1800 and telephone bill of 700 of form paid by check. 28, electricity expense account debit. $1,800. Then telephone expense account debit. $700 paid by check, so to bank account. 2,500. Now, important 29. Bank has credited 200 for interest and debited 100 for bank charges. We have done this transaction before. With almost the same amount, we have done this before. Now, here there are two transactions taking place, so we have to record them separately. One is for income and other is for expense. So we are not combining them. Let's do it separate. Bank has credited 200 for interest. Bank has credited. So interest is our income or expense? Income. So 29. Money comes in our bank account. Bank balance increase. Bank account debit 200. To interest account 200. And then again on 29. Bank charges how much? 100. Bank charges income or expense? Expense. So bank charges account debit. 100 to bank account. Goods of 500 was stolen and of 200 was ruined in the rain. So what is the total loss? 700. So loss by theft. Loss by theft account debit. कौन है बोल कर रहा है? Loss by theft account debit and loss due to goods ruined in rain account. 200 and 2 purchase account 700 to purchase account 700. Textbook में both are done separately. We have combined them because in both goods goes out. Obtain 31st. Obtain change for 1000, but currency note of 100 was duplicate. Nothing can be realized. So क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? लॉस हो रहा है. कितने का लॉस हो रहा है? 100 रुपीस का लॉस हो रहा है. So 31 sundry loss account debit 100 to what goes out? Cash goes out. Cash account 100.